Jason Momoa recently turned a movie premiere into a family affair by attending the London fan event for Supergirl alongside his children, Lola and Nakoa-Wolf. Public appearances featuring the actor and his kids are uncommon, making the outing a special occasion for fans. The 46-year-old star arrived in a stylish three-piece suit paired with his signature tinted glasses. He proudly posed for photos with his teenagers, showing the close bond he shares with his family. Jason shares Lola and Nakoa-Wolf with his former partner, Lisa Bonet. Family has always been a major part of Jason's life, even during his busiest work schedules. In previous interviews, he has spoken about carrying personal items created by his children while traveling, saying that these reminders help him feel connected to home when he's away filming. The event also featured Jason's girlfriend, Adria Arjona. The couple, who have been together since 2024, appeared comfortable and affectionate on the red carpet. Adria impressed attendees in an elegant red gown as the pair posed together for photographers and shared several sweet moments throughout the evening. With both his family and partner by his side, the premiere became more than just a celebration of a new film. It was also a memorable night filled with support, togetherness, and special memories.